The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. The question is, who is willing to take that first step? Yes, we transform dreams into realities. Train 18, the much anticipated semi-high-speed train set with quicker acceleration and deceleration, with contemporary passenger amenities for intercity travel. Brought to you from Team ICF within half the expected time of production. Yes, we at ICF ceaselessly adapt to passengers' expectations, relentlessly upgrade to trends prevalent the world over, responsibly use resources within the country to make in India, reliably manufacture at half the price of import cost from abroad. Train 18, 16 coach set with a maximum speed of 160 km per hour. 50% powering with 8 out of 16 coaches fitted with traction motors for faster acceleration and deceleration. Underslung electrics leaving the entire onboard space for passengers. Brakes using regenerative technology for energy efficiency. Electro-pneumatic brake system to reduce brake distance, thereby enabling full speed potential. Modern bogie for a comfortable jerk-free ride. Lightweight, aesthetically designed car body. Aerodynamic nose cone for reduced air drag and improved aesthetics. Driving cabins on both the ends to avoid engine turnaround at the destination. End-to-end interconnected coaches with fully sealed gangways with exterior and interior fairings. Automatic plug-type doors with retractable footstep. Onboard Wi-Fi infotainment and GPS-based passenger information system. Plush, fully air-conditioned interiors with diffused LED lighting. Zero-discharge vacuum-based bio-toilets with touch-free fittings. Special toilet for differently abled passengers. CCTV for security. 360 degrees revolving reclining chairs in the executive chair class. Charging plugs for every seat. Concealed roller blinds. One pantograph coach per basic unit of 4 cars mounted on the roof. And here we are, ready to take many more first steps. Train 18. Neighbor's desire, nation's pride.